Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how not to add a new line to the end of the string in Python. By default, when we print a string with print function, a new line character is added. For example, if I do print and then do hello, then I'm going to print another string, print world, and just save and run. Then these two strings should be printed on separate lines, and you can see it printed hello and world on separate lines. But if you want to print on same line, these two, we can use a end parameter for the print function in Python 3. Let's try that. I will add an end parameter and set its value to empty. That means we don't need a new line character, and same for the second line. We don't need after the second one, but we can add that too if you don't need a new line after this. But I just want hello and world on the same line, so the new line will not be added after hello. And let's try it. Just save it and run by using Python 3. Here I'm going to use Python 3. And you can see it printed hello world, one line without a new line character. If you need a space, you can add a space after this one, so it will look better. Let's run it again, and here it is in one line hello world. Also, you can use another parameter sep for separation if you don't want to add a space between all the function arguments you want to print, such as over here. If I'm going to print some characters, print x and then y, then z. First I'm going to print without the parameter sep, and let's see how it looks. And you can see it added a separation between all these parameters. And if we don't want this separation, no space between these, we can use a parameter sep and set it to empty value. For example, here we go, sep, and it's gonna be empty. And then run our program again. Python 3. I needed to save the program. I didn't save the program, so I need to run it again. And we can see there are no separation or spaces between these arguments now, or parameters. So this way you can use a print function without a new line and spaces or separation. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.